Good morning students. Now we are going to few more problems based on that electricity chapter only. Here the problem is given as three resistances 5, 10, 12 ohms are in parallel. The current through 10 ohms resistor is 2 amperes. The current through other resistors are. See students, here how many resistors are present? 3 resistors are present. So I am naming like this. R1 is equal to 5 ohm, R2 is equal to 10 ohm, and R3 is equal to 12 ohms I am given. Here through this 10 ohms resistor current is given. So indirectly I2 value is equal to 2 ampere is given. That fellow is expecting here I1 value is equal to how much and I2 value is equal to how much. This is the question for us. So in this question, once observe carefully. For example, here I am drawing one circuit diagram. So in this diagram I am representing three resistances are in which combination? Parallel combination. Like this I am represented here. So maybe at free terminals of this circuit we are introducing one battery like this having some potential V. So students, here R1 resistance that is equal to 5 ohms is present. Here R2 resistance is equal to 10 ohms is present. Here R3 resistance having 12 ohms is present. Here already given I2 is equal to 2 amperes. So here I1 is we don't know. Here along 12 ohms resistance that is I3 is equal to we don't know. So we want to find out those things. See, very important concept we know, that is in parallel combination. In parallel combination, which one is a constant? Potential V is constant. Potential V is constant means I am taking like this students. V1 is equal to I am taken as V2 and also V2 I am taken as V3. So by Ohm's law V is equal to IR formula we know. So here I am representing I1 R1 is equal to here I2 R2. So I1 I don't know. R1 value is already 5. I2 is given as 2 amperes and R2 is 10 is present. So students, once observe carefully here, this 5 here 2 times cancel. Now I1 value we are calculated as 4 amperes. This is one value we are identified. So in second case, here based on the same formula by Ohm's law, that is I am taking here I2 R2 is equal to I3 R3. So I2 value 2 we know students, R2 value is 10 we don't know, I3 but R3 is equal to 12 we know very well. So here the thing is I3 value is equal to here 2 into 10 divided by 12 we can represent. This one is 6. Here the thing is 5 by 3 ampere is the result for this. So now we are calculated I1 is equal to 4 amperes and I2 is equal to 5 by 3 amperes. These are the different values for currents along the resistances R1 and R3. Okay students, right. See students, this is one more problem now we are starting. This is the 21st problem in our prescribed material. So now problem once I am repeating. An aluminum pipe has external diameter. So this is external diameter D1 is equal to I am taken as 10 centimeter. Implies external radius is becomes 5 centimeter. So I am representing 5 into 10 power minus 2 meter is external radius, we may guess it, and internal diameter. So let I am taking this is D2 is equal to this is 8 centimeters. So internal radius I am taken as R2 is equal to 4 centimeters. 4 centimeter means 4 into 10 power minus 2 meter is the thing. If its length is L value is equal to 6.28 meters is given, and resistivity are nothing but specific resistance rho is equal to 2.7 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter is represented. Now expecting internal, okay, then resistance is equal to how much? From resistance concept we have one fundamental thing, R is equal to rho into L divided by A. Here instead of A we are taking like this, that is finally rho L divided by here pi into here which one is greater value? R1 is greater value. So I am taking R1 square minus R2 square. So just while substituting these values, R value is equal to rho is 2.7 into 10 power minus 8. This is 6.28 L value whole divided by pi is nothing but 3.14. Here R1 square means we are getting 25 minus R2 square means here 16 into 10 power minus 4. On squaring we can get it. So students, now observe carefully this 3.14 here cancelling in how many ways? 2 times cancel here. So now the thing is numerator 2.7 into 2 into this one also 10 power minus 8 and 10 power minus 4 by cancellation we are getting 10 power minus 4 whole divided by 25 minus 16 means that is we are getting as a 9. So 9 here totally 0.3 times cancelled. So R value is equal to 0.6 into 10 power minus 4 ohms, nothing but R value is equal to, we can represent this one as 6 into 10 power minus 5 ohms. Here final resistance for that given wire having some different diameters, external diameter and internal diameter values is R value is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 5 ohms. This is the result or this is the answer for this problem. Okay students, next one more problem now we are starting. See students, here this problem is based on cells concept. So now I am repeating the question here. Two cells of EMF E1 and E2 and internal resistances R1 and R2 are connected in parallel with an external resistance. The effective EMF of the combination is. For understanding purpose, I am constructing here one circuit diagram like this. For example, this is one cell, this is another cell is present. These two are in parallel combination. Here along with that one external resistance is also present. See students, this is first cell having EMF E1 and internal resistance here that is R1 is represented. Here E2 EMF is present, here internal resistance is R2 is present. So from this one some current I1 is coming, from this one current I2 is coming, totally here current I is coming. This is a load resistance that is nothing but R. For example, I am representing this is one node A. So now observe carefully at node A by Kirchhoff's laws here I1 plus I2 value is equal to, we can able to represent as I, that is the sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing currents. See students, here this R1 and R2 are in which combination? Small r1 and small 2 are in parallel combination. R1 and R2 are in parallel. So therefore here effective internal resistance is, that is Rp value is equal to, first we want to calculate. How we can get 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, we can find it. So next 1 by Rp value is equal to, we can represent this one as R1 R2 LCM, here R1 plus R2, therefore Rp is equal to, we can able to find as R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This is the simple thing we are identified. So now observe students, by here Ohm's law conditions or whatever it may be, here I1 is equal to, we can represent as E1 divided by R1, and here I2 values we can represent as E2 divided by R2. This one is E effective divided by Rp value we will represent. Okay students, just we can rearrange the things. Here E1 divided by R1 plus E2 divided by R2 is equal to E effective divided by this one is R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This is the thing. So now onwards just simple mathematical calculations. Here LCM is R1 R2. Now here we are getting E1 R2 plus E2 R1. Okay students, here E effective into R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2 we will get it. Okay, here both sides R1 R2 will be cancelled. We want to find out which value, E effective value we want to calculate. So therefore E effective is equal to, can we write like this, E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. This is the notation for us. Okay students, this is the E effective value in this case. Okay, right. Okay students, this is also a simple question for you. This is also based on cells concept only. When two cells each of EMF 2 volts is given, so here given as E1 is equal to E2 is equal to 2 volts are connected in series. Okay, so here for example this is first cell and this is the second cell connected in series. Here E1 is equal to 2 volts and here also E2 is equal to 2 volts. Okay, and two resistors connected together but both are parallel to each other. So here one resistor and this is another resistor are connected like this. Here 3 ohms one value is given and 6 ohms is given like this. These 3 ohms and 6 ohms are in which combination? Parallel combination. Here 3 ohm and 6 ohms are in parallel. Both are in parallel means therefore here we want to find out RP value. So RP value is equal to, we have the formula R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Based on that one, 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6, here 18 by 9 is equal to 2 ohms. 2 ohms is the resistance. Now the question how the thing is given means the terminal voltage of the battery is how much is given? 2 volts. The internal resistance of each cell we want to find out. So here R1 is equal to how much? R2 is equal to how much? Here both are identical things only. Identical things, nothing but cells. Therefore here also R1 value is equal to R2 is equal to how much? That is we want to calculate first of all. Okay students, here two cells in series, therefore E effective is equal to E1 plus E2, that is nothing but 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 volts. Given potential is equal to, that is as how much is given? 2 volts is present, so V value is equal to 2 volts is given. We know students one thing, in case of cells V is equal to E minus IR. This is one standard formula we have. So but here the situation is, here based on given question, V is equal to, I am representing as E effective minus I into R1 plus R2 I am representing. So first how to find here I value? So already potential is given na, so then V is equal to IR condition we can represent. Okay, that is here RP, V value is 2, this is I into RP value is equal to how much here calculated? That RP value is equal to 2 ohms is calculated. So this one is 2, therefore I is equal to 1 ampere, we are find it. So once observe students, here V is equal to, just I am taken as 2 is equal to E effective is equal to also how much is present? 4 minus I value is 1, here R1 plus R2. So here observe carefully, here R1 plus R2 value is equal to 4 minus 2, we can write R1 plus R2 is equal to 2 ohms. Both are same values, means therefore R1 is equal to R2 is equal to 2 ohms only. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but how much? R1 plus R2 is equal to 2 ohms, means R1 is equal to R2 is equal to here 1 ohm. 1 ohm is the answer. Then only 1 plus 1 is becomes here 2 ohms. This is the one of the thing we can observe it. Okay students. Okay students, few more problems in next coming class we will discuss. Okay, thank you.